Hmm?
Where's Smith? Take us through.
It's a UHF antenna pointing towards the transmission side, which is for you, the nearest side is Kav, which is in that direction. So I'll take you through this. Channel 2, showing Australia Plus, Australian news as well.
That's by PGTV also.
FBC2, this is, I think it's an RT news station.
8 channels.
Because it decrypts the signal. After that,
They switch off the TV. They don't switch off the box. The screen, but you see the box is on. Green light. It's fine. You can leave it like that. So when you come on, you switch on the TV and you keep on changing the channel.
Guru may be done minute.
Tanwa me rintara na ngin ko na punta ka Kalakoso. Wag naglago talaga mo kung ito na tambana na
Walesi!
Ano talo?
Walesi!
All good, isn't it?
TV dan itu
Their programs will
5
be
साल बाद देखी थी पहले लोटो kamera सब right
कोई TV room है.
TV room में लड़कन ये लोग भैया लोग भी आके करो से तब
Is that their rights would be people. Therefore, it makes sense for the UK education.